Welcome to our channel VD Max Academy. In this video, we are going to see about oscillating plane in differentiable geometry. First, we see the definition for oscillating plane. Let gamma be a curve. We are taking on curve of class greater than or equal to 2, and let P, Q be two neighboring points on the curve gamma. Then the limiting position is denoted as Q tends to P of that plane. The curve which contains the tangent line. Limiting position means the point P should contain the tangent line, and the point Q is called the oscillating plane of gamma at P. This is the definition for oscillating plane. The equation of oscillating plane is r minus r of 0, r dash of 0, r double dash of 0 equal to 0. Here r double dash value is not equal to 0, where r dash of 0 and r double dash of 0 are linearly independent. Then we see about inflection. Inflection is nothing but the point P on the curve for which r double dash now equal to 0. The point where r double dash is equal to 0, we can say that point as point of inflection, and the tangent line at the point P is called inflectional. This is important thing. The Cartesian equation of the oscillating plane can be written as x minus x, y minus y, z minus z, x dot, y dot, z dot, x double dot, y double dot, z double dot, determinant equal to 0. The equation of the oscillating plane can also be written in the format of dot, that is r minus r dot, r double dot equal to 0 with respect to the general parameter u. Then we see another definition for oscillating plane. The plane containing the circle of curvature of a point on a given curve. The plane which contains circle of curvature is called oscillating plane. The oscillating plane has 3 points of contact. This is also important note. Then we see the problem related to oscillating plane. Find the equation of the oscillating plane at the point T on the helix R equal to a cos t, a sin t, ct. We want to find the equation of the oscillating plane. Solution. First, given r equal to a cos t, a sin t, ct. This is our given thing. Here x equal to a cos t, y equal to a sin t, and z equal to ct. X dot value is minus a sin t, differentiating with respect to t, and y dot equal to a cos t, and x dot equal to c. X double dot, again differentiating with respect to t, a minus a sin t is cos t, y double dot minus a sin t is a double dot. Here t term is not present, so it becomes 0. Then we substitute this in the formula, the equation of oscillating plane. We have seen the formula before. X minus a cos t, y minus a sin t, z minus ct. X dot value is minus a sin t, y dot value is a cos t, and z dot value is c. X double dot value is minus a cos t, y double dot value is minus a sin t. Z double dot value is 0, equal to 0. This is, we want to simplify this term. X minus a cos t, this becomes 0, 0, 0, minus into minus plus a c sin t minus y into a sin t, On multiplying this with this, it becomes 0. Minus into minus AC cos t plus z minus ct equal to minus minus plus a square sin square t minus into here one minus minus a square cos square t equal to 0. And simplifying this, it becomes x minus a cos t into ac sin t minus y minus a sin t into minus plus ac cos t plus z minus ct. This becomes a square sin square t minus into minus plus a square cos square t equal to 0. This is sin square t plus cos square t value is 1. So this equation becomes x minus a cos t into a sin t ac sin t. On multiplying this y minus here y minus a sin t into ac cos t plus this becomes z minus ct into a square equal to 0. And multiplying this inside the bracket, it becomes x ac sin t minus a square c sin t cos t y minus ac cos t minus a square c sin t cos t plus z plus z a square minus ct a square equal to 0. Here multiplying this minus inside, it becomes minus y minus plus ac. This is y. This becomes minus into minus plus ac square. This plus and minus term get cancelled. So it becomes x ac sin t minus y ac cos t plus z a square minus ct a square equal to 0. This is our last step. We want to divide through this equation throughout a, so that it becomes dividing by a. So that becomes sc sin t yc cos t plus z a minus ct a equal to 0. xc sin t minus yc cos t, taking a commonly outside, it becomes z minus ct equal to 0. This is the equation of the oscillating plane. This is the equation. This is equation of the oscillating plane. Thanks for watching video.